Number 31. The geologic cross-section below shows several rock units of Earth's crust. Some rock units are labeled A through E. These are my favorite questions. I have a love for rocks, I guess you can say, as an earth science teacher. And rock layers I find so fun and quick and easy. But let me just explain exactly what they're looking for here. It says, which two rock units formed sediments deposited in horizontal layers? Uh, what you should really recognize whenever you hear horizontal layers, you're thinking layers that laid flat. And if you know anything about igneous rocks, you know that they never lay flat. They come out of volcanoes and they have igneous intrusions, things like that. So it's definitely not going to be any igneous rocks. So D, it can't be. C, it can't be correct either. So here you go. You can cancel this one out. Really, right away, you can get the answer with that. So you know, C here, diabase is a igneous rock. So let me get you to the reference table. Okay, diabase is right here. Zoom in for you a little bit. So that's an igneous rock. So that definitely cannot be it. And basalt. I mean, basalt is something you should know is an igneous rock. So you know these layers are not going to lie flat. I mean, you can even tell by this little squiggle or this rounded here that that's not correct. So you know that C and D both aren't the correct answer. Look here, C and D is not it. D can't be it. B and C can't be it. Number 1 is the correct answer, but I want to show you exactly how you can do this because it is a earth science reference table, of course. A and B, well, first off, you can see A already laid flat. That's very simple. And B is kind of flat also. But the trick here, these questions aren't always this easy, is to use your map symbol. And a lot of students actually don't really recognize, let's see if I can fit this in someplace, recognize what the map symbol actually is. This is, let's blow it up. This is all sedimentary rocks. So on the sedimentary rock chart, the symbols on here directly match here, whether it's any of them, okay, metamorphic rocks or sedimentary rocks. But we're looking at sedimentary rocks right now because we know that sedimentary rocks are deposited in horizontal layers. So when we come, we see, okay, here's the dash that looks like this. So we know that A is a shale. And we know that E is a shale. Okay, so it's A and E. But A and E is not an answer. So when we come back and we look at layer B is sandstone. I know the symbol looks a little bit better, a little different or bigger because it's I'm zoomed in right now. But B represents a sandstone. Okay, the symbol just looks a little weird because it's blown up. But B and A both are sedimentary rocks, which means they had to form in horizontal layers. So therefore, answer number 1 is the correct answer. It's layer A and layer B.